Okay. But don't let all the letters confuse you. Start with the first function. The first one is f, right? Okay, so it's 3x. All right, so for x, I'm going to put some parentheses because stuff's going in there. All right, the next thing to go in there is your g function, which is 2x. And the reason I have another parentheses is because there's another composition happening. Into this set of parentheses, I put my h function. So start with the first one using parentheses. Plug the second one into those parentheses, still showing where your x is, and then plug the third one into the last set of parentheses. Okay, now this is all multiplication. We can multiply here and get 6 times x squared plus 1, and then distribute the 6. And so what you get here is 6x squared plus 6. Both of those are saying the same thing, are asking for the same thing. Now, is this final step this final solution going to change if I change the order of these three? Yeah, absolutely. Okay, so let's do that. This time we are going to do, I don't know. We're going to do G composed of H composed of F of X. The other way of writing the same thing would be
6x plus 6. How is it?
6x squared plus 6 was the final. What do we start with? G, which is 2x. Into the parentheses, I put H, which is x squared plus 1. Into this set of parentheses, I put 3x. Okay? Now, I can't multiply 2 times 3x right now because the order of operation says exponents before multiplication. And 3x needs to be squared. So this is 2 times 9x squared plus 1. And then we distribute the 2 and get 18x squared plus 2. Now, if I had put an actual number in this position, it doesn't change the way you set this whole thing up. All it means is when you get to the very end, you plug that number in and you evaluate. That's all it means. Okay? Any questions on this? It's pretty simple, I think. All right. This is your homework assignment. You can go ahead and get started on it. You may be able to finish in class.